In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly rename a Dropbox folder in just a few easy steps. Whether you're reorganizing your files for clarity, or you need to update folder names to reflect new project titles, this quick guide will have your Dropbox looking neat and organized in no time. Let's start by opening up your favorite web browser. Once you're ready, navigate to dropbox.com. This is where all the magic begins. Dropbox, for those who might not be as familiar, is a cloud-based service that allows you to store, share, and collaborate on files and folders from anywhere. So just imagine the possibilities if you keep it neat and organized. Upon arriving at dropbox.com, you're going to want to click on Login. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your Dropbox account credentials. However, if you're like many of us who juggle too many passwords already, a more convenient option might be to continue with Google. This allows you to log in using your Google account, streamlining the process and saving you the hassle of remembering another password. Choose the option that works best for you. Once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to head over to your files. Look for the Files option in the Dropbox sidebar. This is essentially the heart of Dropbox, where all your files and folders reside. It's like a digital filing cabinet for all your important documents, photos, and everything in between. Now let's focus on organizing. Click on Folders on the left side of your screen. This will display a list of all the folders you currently have in your Dropbox. It's like opening a drawer in your digital filing cabinet to see all the folders grouped together, making it easier to find the one you want to rename. After you've found the folder you wish to rename, give it a single click to select it. But hold on, we're not renaming just yet. First, you need to find the cogwheel icon associated with the folder. This little icon is your gateway to several options specifically for that folder, including the one we're interested in today, renaming. Click on the cogwheel icon and you'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll spot the Rename option. Clicking this will transform the folder's name into an editable text field. This is your moment to get creative, or at least practical. Type in the new name you've chosen for your folder. This could be anything from a more descriptive title to reflect the folder's contents, a project name, or any naming convention you follow. After typing in the new name, there's just one more step. Confirm the change. Hit the enter button on your keyboard and voila, your folder will now sport its new name. It's an instant update that happens right before your eyes, ensuring your Dropbox stays as organized and up to date as your projects. And that's it. You've successfully renamed a folder in Dropbox, helping you keep your digital space organized and tailored to your needs. Remember, staying organized in your cloud storage not only saves you time when searching for files, but also makes collaboration with others more straightforward. Everyone appreciates a well-organized Dropbox after all. I hope this tutorial was helpful. For more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital tools, be sure to subscribe and share this video. Keep your digital life organized and efficient, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.